Boost your YouTube watch time and retention faceless channel secrets. Hey everyone, welcome to Trend Shift. Are you ready to unlock the secrets to massive watch time and sky-high audience retention on YouTube, even without showing your face? That's right, we're diving deep into the world of faceless channels and how to make them incredibly engaging. Get ready to transform your channel and keep viewers hooked from start to finish. First, let's break down why watch time and retention are the holy grail of YouTube's success. YouTube's algorithm loves videos that keep people on the platform longer. Higher watch time signals to YouTube that your content is valuable and engaging. This leads to better rankings in search results and more recommendations. Retention, on the other hand, measures how much of your video viewers actually coming back. A high retention rate tells YouTube that your content is captivating and worth promoting. So, how do you create content that grabs attention and holds it all without showing your face? The key is to focus on providing immense value and creating a captivating experience. Start with a strong hook in the first few seconds. Tell viewers exactly what they'll gain from watching your video. Also use mini hooks every 15 to 30 seconds. Ask a question, tease a secret, or make a bold claim that keeps curiosity alive. Before ending a section, tease the next. Say things like, "But the real twist is coming up." Humans are wired to finish incomplete stories. Use this to your advantage. Coming up next, a simple storytelling trick that hooks the brain. Use storytelling techniques to keep viewers engaged. Even without a face, you can create a narrative that resonates with your audience. Next, your background music matters more than you think. Sync emotional moments with music. Rise during big reveals. Pause for dramatic points. Emotionally tuned music increases average watch time by over 22%. Your voice is your most powerful tool when you're running a faceless channel. Invest in a good microphone and learn how to use your voice effectively. Vary your tone, pace, and inflection to keep things interesting. A monotone voice can quickly lose viewers, so inject some energy and enthusiasm. Consider hiring a professional voiceover artist if you're not comfortable with your own voice. A polished voiceover can significantly elevate the quality of your videos. Even though you're not showing your face, visuals are still crucial. Use high-quality stock footage, animations, and graphics to enhance your videos. Choose visuals that are relevant to your topic and that complement your voiceover. Avoid using generic or low-quality visuals, as they can detract from the overall experience. Consider using screen recordings, tutorials, or demonstrations to provide value and keep viewers engaged. Think creatively about how you can visually represent your content. Editing is where you can really transform your videos and boost retention. Cut out any unnecessary pauses or filler content. Use jump cuts, transitions, and sound effects to keep things dynamic and engaging. Add text overlays and graphics to highlight key points and keep viewers focused. Pay attention to pacing and rhythm. A well-edited video will flow smoothly and keep viewers hooked from beginning to end. Just because you're faceless doesn't mean you can't connect with your audience. Encourage viewers to leave comments and ask questions. Now, here's the hidden secret for elite watch time. Flash important words on screen. Words like shocking mistakes, hidden secrets, sharp, fast flashes re-engages the brain. Respond to comments and engage in conversations. Show your audience that you value their input and that you're listening to their feedback. Create a sense of community around your channel. Host Q&A sessions, run contests, or create challenges to get viewers involved. Finally, don't forget to analyze your analytics and optimize your videos for growth. Pay attention to your watch time, retention rate, and audience demographics. Experiment with different content formats, topics, and editing styles to see what resonates with your audience. Use A/B testing to optimize your thumbnails and titles. Continuously learn and adapt to the ever-changing YouTube landscape. Stay up to date on the latest trends and best practices. Faceless channels can be incredibly profitable. Explore different monetization options such as AdSense, affiliate marketing, and sponsorships. Create and sell digital products, such as ebooks, courses, or templates. Offer premium content or services to your most dedicated fans. Build a strong brand and establish yourself as an authority in your niche. This will open up opportunities for collaborations and partnerships. Let's quickly recap. Use mini hooks. Use storytelling techniques. Sync your music emotionally. Use voice-over intelligently. Use good video editing techniques. Tease next sections and highlight emotional words with quick flashes. Create a sense of community. Engage with your audience. So there you have it, the secrets to boosting your YouTube watch time and retention with a faceless channel. Remember, consistency, creativity, and a focus on providing value are key. Imagine your audience staying twice as long. More views, more growth, more success. Now go out there and create amazing content that captivates your audience and keeps them coming back for more. You've got this. Ready to explode your channel? Like, share, and subscribe Trend Shift for more cool tips.